Hey guys, don't worry, I'm here to help you to fix this problem with the step-by-step perfect solution. So let's begin. Click on Advanced Options, select Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. Now select Command Prompt. Now execute this command carefully. Type chkdsk/f/r/c: and hit enter to execute this command. Now we need to type this command c: and simply press enter. Now we need to type cd space c: and hit enter to execute. Type cd space Windows and simply hit enter to execute the command. Then type cd space system32 and hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space config and simply hit enter to execute the command. Then type md space backup and hit enter. Now type copy ** backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute the command md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Once we are here, we need to execute this command. Type copy space ** space backup1 and then press enter from your keyboard to execute this command. Now type cd space regback and simply hit enter. Then type dir and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type in copy space ** space ... and then hit enter. After that type all and again hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Now type in bootrec space /fixboot and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space c: and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space Windows /system32 /config /regback, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type bcd edit space /export space c: /bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Then move to the next one. Now execute this command. Type cd space c: and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space boot and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type cd space boot and hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter. Now type cd space c: and simply hit enter. Now type attrib space c: -boot -bcd space -h space -r space -s and hit enter to execute. Type in ren c: \boot \bcd bcd.old and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.